What's up, guys and gals? D behind the camera. Welcome back. So, not too long ago, I think it was last night, I turned one of these into one of these. These are my personal house keys. Okay. So, here's my front door. Locked. Okay. The little one here is for the bottom. And here it is. That's unlocked, okay. So I'll fold that. Top one. You can also do it this way, like that. So what I did to it, I copied the internals and then I acid washed the whole unit. Can't really tell too much, but that's it. Figured I'd share that with you guys real quick. Another simple EDC for the future. Thanks for watching. Peace out.